Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to everyone. I hope you all fine. My name is Ashfaq Lun Baloch and you are watching Pakistan student program on SRS News. Today I am talking about the situation that happened in Palestine. The current situation is in Palestine, I think, is very death knell for all Muslims all around the world, and also it is very disgrace for each one of the Muslim in this world, including Pakistan. Today's the enemies of the Islam, they are understand one thing. They are understand Muslim just a cartoon, and yes, of course, it is a true. We are just a cartoon. If we are the real Muslim, we are protect to our own peoples. Palestinians. Now, Palestine, they need the help. They do not need any tweet. They do not need any OIC conference. They need the help. They are watching to every Muslim country in this world. But it is very disappointing, and I am told each one of my every video, we are follow to our holy book, we are follow to our hadith, because our hadith said already the enemies of the Islam, their time will become. It's our responsibility. We are the follow to our hadith. Right now I am read one hadith because it is so compulsory for every Muslim, including me, to understand this hadith. This is the hadith, Abu Dawud hadith 4297. रसूलुल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने फरमाया, करीब है कि दीगर कौमें तुम पर ऐसे टूट पड़ेंगी जैसे खाने वाले प्यालों पर टूट पड़ते हैं। तो एक कहने वालों ने कहा कि हम उस वक्त तादाद में कम होंगे। तो आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने फरमाया, नहीं, बल्कि तुम उस वक्त बहुत होंगे, लेकिन तुम सैलाब की छांग के मानद होंगे। अल्लाह ताला दुश्मनों के सीनों से तुम्हारा खौफ निकाल देगा और तुम्हारे दिलों में वहन डाल देगा। तो एक कहने वालों ने कहा, अल्लाह के रसूल, वहन क्या चीज़ है? तो आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने फरमाया, ये दुनिया की मोहब्बत और मौत का डर है। आर यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट हदीस सेड? इफ़ वी डू नॉट फॉलो द हदीस, इफ़ वी डू नॉट फॉलो टू अवर होली बुक कुरान, वी आर नथिंग, वी आर टोटली ट्रैकलेस, वी आर द मुस्लिम्स, वी आर स्टिल स्लीपिंग, वी आर बिजी डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ थिंग्स. We can't understand. We can't protect to our own place, to our own land. Palestine, they are watching to ourselves. And now, come to the very important and main point. Now, every Muslim state, now they are understand what they do for the people of the Palestine. And I am request the Muslim world leaders, I am request the Prime Minister of Pakistan, Sir Imran Khan, please do something for the Palestine. They are watching your side. And very greatest and famous personality in the Muslim state, President of Turkey, Mr. Recep Tayyip Erdogan, also my favorite personality. Sir, please do something for Palestine. The 2 billion Muslim people lives in the world. They are watching your side. What you do for the people of Palestine. Nowadays, the children, the whole Palestine, they are calling one person. Their name is Sultan Salahuddin Ayyubi. Because we all know in the past, the Sultan Salahuddin Ayyubi, they are destroy whole Jerusalem. But still, we can't do. Every time we are saying we want peace. This is not a time to we want peace. This is the time to we prove ourselves what we are. This is the time to we give the strong reply to our enemies, the Islam's enemies. We are something. We have a superpower. But why we can't use to our weapon? This is the also question. I am request to every world leaders, please do something for the Palestinian peoples. They are watching your side. This is the time to be protect to our first Qibla, Masjid Aqsa. The Islam's enemies, their purpose is too simple. They are remove the Masjid Aqsa and they are create their third temple and their fraud Messiah. But we can't protect to our first. I have no words. Please, I am request, do something for the Palestinian peoples. I hope you understand what I can say in this video. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Pakistan, Paindabad.